Array literals are a way to essentially make arrays on the fly. If you think back to string literals, kind of the same principle. So for an example to kind of show this, let's make a array of dog names. And so it's going to be an array of strings. And the way to specify a array literal is to use the square brackets here, and you just kind of put values in, and you separate them by commas. So we'll do Ralph, and let's add one more dog. How about good old Sean? So now this is an array of 3 strings, and I mean, this in essence is a string literal, the square brackets with values separated by commas. And remember, it can only be of one type. So let's say, for instance, we want to try and put a int into here. Swift is going to scream at us. But if we make all the values into ints, then Swift is okay with this. So it's just remember that arrays need to be of one type. And an awesome thing that Swift is doing for us here is, usually we'd have to do something like this where we'd say, this is going to be an array of ints, yada, yada, yada. But Swift is smart enough to notice that we're passing a bunch of all ints in this array into this new variable called dog names. So we don't have to have this int with square brackets to specify that. It can just do it through inference.